whose fault is it?
Right.
Mine, whatever. But anyway, talked to Tommy, and he said that he agrees with me that you're good for it. You know. So if it wasn't for your dad, your family, the way you guys are, I've known you since shit. When were you 20 or something when you started out of Byron after Dad went in?
I'd say about 17.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
So like Tommy said, he's known you, knew Mikey, and all that for years. In fact, there was a gal that went to school with Tom and Mike.
Yeah.
They both, when they started talking, oh, I know her. But you hit me when you get it, and tell Jennifer.
Family.
You tell Jennifer.
No.
But, if I may add, what kind of bills you got? I mean, what is
Rent.
Oh, okay.
Car payment. Yeah. The usual shit. It gets too tight during the winter, and
Oh yeah.
we'll find out this next 2 weeks. I think we got it licked.
Over there.
I really am optimistic about it.
Well, good. I mean, that's what I told Tom. I told Tom, I said, God, I played over there and here. Oh, it's a nice little course.
Yeah, but it's not much.
It's underwater part of the time.
Yeah. They're not there for the golf course. They're there for all the other shit.
Yeah.
That's
What way did you come off of? 131?
Yeah. I was over by Mom's.
She doing all right?
Yeah.
Good. Happy New Year.
You too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Keep in touch.
Always. Yes.
Behave.
Yes.
Smile.
Hey, you too. And smile.
All right. Do it again.